All right, my name is John David with West County EMS and Fire. Today we're going to be going over some respectful entry and through the lock techniques. First, we're going to go over how to defeat a shackle guard with a beveled loiding device. So the first thing we're going to do, always try before you pry, see if the door is unlocked. Once we know it's not, put a little bit of pressure on the door, stick your beveled loiding device in there, and you're going to wiggle it down until it's behind the door, and then gently pull it open. So the idea with these is the bevel on this is going to go behind the latch guard, which is covering a wide gap of the door, and it's going to actuate the anti-loiding pin and the latch so that it opens up the door. So when we're using the beveled loiding device or even a shove knife on this type of lock, the idea is to get past the anti-loiding pin so that you can open up the door. When this pin is depressed, the lock won't open up. So you have to have the pin fully stick out so that the door can open. Now, when they put the latch guards on them, it's to cover a large gap in the door most of the time, so this pin is already sticking out. So when the tool comes down, it's got this angle on it so it can slide down and push the lock and depress it, and then the door itself can slide open. If you come up to defeat a door with the latch guard and it's too tight to get your beveled loiding device in there, you can take a wedge and either wedge the door, or if it's still too tight, you can go ahead and take a sledge or one of your other striking tools and give it a couple hits just to open up that gap, and then slide the tool down in there to unlock your door.